Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch model, and this is Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPad Pro. Two pros put together. What can go wrong? Let's check it out. So we know about the iPad Pro. It's been out for a couple of months now, so I'm gonna set that to the side for right now, just up there out of the way. This is the Pro that we are going to focus on for right now. This is Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is the award-winning case by Supcase. Let's get this unboxed. Now in the box, it comes in this plastic casing. We'll just tear all that off, get rid of that. You get your normal installation card from Supcase right here. Put that to the side for right now. On the front of that plastic, there is a QR code that you can scan. It's going to take you to a website to tell you how to put this on. But for right now, that's my job. So I'm going to tell you how to put this on. I'm going to demonstrate it right now. First things first, though, let's do a little real estate. I'm going to get this plastic off. Now, Unicorn Beetle Pro comes with a screen on the front of it. It's been drop tested up to 10 feet. I'm sorry, not 20. Comes with a kickstand on the back. So it's only gonna stand in landscape mode, not portrait mode. Durable outer shell on the back. We got buttons here. We got button here, speaker grills here. Okay, so all of our ports are there. Now, in order to get this open, it comes with this little blue sticker down at the bottom. This is where you're going to always open your case from, down here in the corner. Just like that. Okay, now that we got it open, there is a piece of plastic in here. Piece of foam in there to protect the case, and there we go. So we have a rubberized backing right here. It's nice, hard, durable material. On the front, this is our screen protector right here. It's going to protect your device. With all that being said, let us now get the iPad 11-inch in here. With all of the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, you're going to always install your screen first. So you just lay your screen on top, just like so. Lock it in all the way around. Once it's on your iPad front, you're going to start by inserting it this way first, up. So this is the top of the case up here. You're going to go in here first. You're going to secure around the camera area, and then you're going to bring it all the way down, just like that. Okay, get it nice and snug in there, and then we're going to test it in just a moment. But I want to make sure I get it all the way enclosed. Okay, so now that I have this all the way on my tablet, this is how it looks. Camera is nice and open right here in the back. We got our speaker grills down bottom. You can see those. Boom. Charging port right there, nice and hidden, nice and tucked away. Speaker grills up top, 1 and 2, microphones right there. All right, now buttons line up on the side, volume up and down, and our power button right there. So first thing we're going to test is Face ID. Making sure that our Face ID is still going to work with this case on there is a #1 priority. It is locked, it is unlocked. Perfect. Face ID is a go. Face ID works. Check. #1. Now we want to do our volume up and down. There we go. Volume up and down is a go. It works. Buttons are nice and tactile, not sticky at all. So that's a check. Now for the big test, is this going to work? Now we know this pencil will not charge. It will not magnetically stick to this case. So we're not looking for something that's going to hold this This company never told us that they would do this. This product is meant to protect your iPad. So for all the people who are worried about your iPad bending, all the videos of people actually taking their iPads and cracking them in half, this is going to stop that from happening. Okay, so don't worry about your iPad bending with this case on. Now we want to test this Apple Pencil Generation 2. Let's test it. All right, looks good. So the screen on the front of the Unicorn Beetle Pro is not hindering the motion of the iPad. It's not hindering it's no lag, no nothing. Let's open up a note. I'm just gonna doodle, that's all. There we go. Apple Pencil still feels fluid, still works really good. So that's been my review. This case is well worth it. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check this out. And let's test this with the tablet in, just like that. Boom, there we go. Landscape mode, you got your kickstand. This tablet is a go. So everything that they have said they would do for us with this case, they have came through with it. So yeah, this is Unicorn Beetle Pro. It is going to protect your tablet. Now, like I said, for all those people who are worried about iPad bending issues, go out and get you one of these. Now, you won't be able to charge your pencil or hold it like that, but I'm sure you can find somewhere to put that so you can keep up with it. It is magnetic after all. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can go and pick up one of these. You know what to do. Smash that button. Give me that thumbs up. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.